What a delightful morning it is, walking through this beautiful garden of mine and going and picking up various varieties of fruits and vegetables, just like the rainbow colors. The fruits also are so colorful, and what an idea if you can make that into a nice breakfast salad. Watch quickly, write down what those 10 fruits that I'm having for my breakfast. Absolutely. Mmm. 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 Wow. This is. Mmm. 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 Welcome to my very own beautiful garden. Early morning, few mulberries. Eat all these berries. Apparently, it's good for your own berry. You are not only glowing from outside, but even from inside. They call this water apple, rose apple, whatever it is, your lips will be rosy, rosy. This is not just a breakfast, this is an investment to your health and well being. Another kind of berry, and you don't have to pick them up when they are fully done. Even when they are a little bit raw, they are really, really tasty. Walking through the garden always reminds me it is so magical. Growing your own fruit, getting the saplings, growing them, and what an investment. Every day, they will give you so many fruits and vegetables and nourish your body. These are the sucking mangoes. And if you want to find a good partner, you have to find somebody who love these mangoes. So weight loss is not a punishment. It is a celebration on the foundation of you wanting to take care of your health. There are many big papayas, but these small ones are super tasty. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Look at the size. The beautiful Amrut the Gawava. For many years, I have inspired people to cook and eat fresh food. But now we are enlightened the inspiration because we want to eat something that is very healthy and will keep you fit. Not many grapes. Every day I get handful of grapes. So because birds are always after my grapes. Not those grapes, these grapes. Just handful of grapes every day. Not only that, exploring, growing your own fresh fruits and vegetables, and nourishing your body in a way that you say absolutely boomba boomba. Not many. This is the smallest plant of Chico I have, but these are ripe on the plant, so they are really sweet. I've got couple more of these bigger plants also. I'll show them. Do you know what these are? Join me in this journey of Triple F sessions. It's all about food, fun, and fitness.